Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you a video clip about me using WD-40 to fix a squeaky door for the front passenger side. It's creating some squeaky noise once opening and closing the door at the same time. And for fixing it, I'm using WD-40. I already seen this for many YouTubers for car detailing, car hacks. So I'm going to show you a video at the same time for it's a quick video, so there's no further any instructions, just easy spray to the hinges of the door. So without further ado, let's go to the clip.
A few moments later.
So right here, this is the problem, the front passenger side door. This is a Mitsubishi ASX 2011 model. Did you hear that? The sound is squeaking from the outside to the inside. So right here, come over guys. What we have to do is use the WD-40. Take this needle, put it on the nozzle, so WD-40 is one of the things that you could use, especially with the squeaky door. If you can hear it, it's kind of annoying. At the same time, it pains to the ears. So yeah, WD-40, all you have to do is spray it on the hinges of the car right here. Okay, just spray it a little more and spray the inner side. Okay, so after that, the excess one, you can wipe it with the clean cloth. So now we're going to test what we have done to the door. As you can see, no more squeaky noise. See, I'm not editing any sound. I open it, nothing. So that is one of the solutions with the squeaky door. Use WD-40. This is not sponsored video. I'm using this because it's one of the auto care hacks that you can do with your car. You don't have to bring it to the shop just to fix the squeaky door.
A few moments later.
So with this video guys, I'm going to show you again the usage of WD-40. Once again, this is not sponsored video about the WD-40. I'm just showing you auto care hacks or auto care detailing. I'm going to be putting out to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and to be updated for my upcoming videos. This is a Mitsubishi ASX Outlander Sports 2011 model. As you can see, there's a problem when I'm putting the key. It's not coming out as I twitched it. See, it's a problem when I'm pulling it out from the ignition. So if you have this kind of problem, you don't have to bring it to the shop or go to a auto care shop just to fix it. All you have to do is you can do it on your own. You can do it yourself. Buy a WD-40. This is available to local stores, to your hardware stores. So it's so easy, convenient if you can do it on your own. You don't have to depend on other people and pay a large amount of money and spend some when you can buy this for less than $100. So there's a big can or a small can like this, or I think there's a smaller one now. available at the store, local stores. Check it out to your own countries. But all you have to do is point the nozzle. Alright, point it to the nozzle and right to the key. Spray. Alright, I have sprayed a good amount. So once there's an excess, you can just wipe it with a clean tissue, so there will be no liquid residue against the key. After wiping the excess WD-40, this is the key right here, Mitsubishi. All you have to do is put it in, then pull it out, put it in again, pull it out. After 2 times doing that, so you can see I've turned on the car. Everything's working okay. There's no problem, guys. I switch on the AC, switch on the music, close the... No problem at all. We cannot afford music, I'm sorry. So make sure you may... okay, so now I'm going to show you... Like, everything is okay. This is no problem spraying WD-40 at the keys. So I'm gonna turn it off now. Turn off the AC. Make sure you do that first. Before turning off the engine, you cannot just turn off the engine quickly. You have to turn off all the accessories just to prolong the car's life, especially the equipments, because this kind of is pricey when it is damaged. So we need to prolong the car. So turning it off. See, turn off. So easy now. There's no locking. I have to press the brakes, put it in. There's no problem. Step on the brakes, pull it out. See, easy as that. There's no problem at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Give this video a like, comment down below on whatever your problems with your car, then I will make a video about that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to be updated for my upcoming videos. Bye bye, peace. As you can see, I have tested for a week, and so now everything works fine. There's no issues, especially with the ignition key. Spraying WD-40 is no harm to your equipment. So this wraps our video. Thank you for watching. Check out my other playlists in my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitch and my Twitter. Goodbye. Peace. See you on the next one.